Okay, this is our rule number 2, okay, of our read and react. We'll come up with a name for this later. Read and react. Rule number 2. Okay, so if the decision maker, and we're going to put a defender here. So our decision maker decides to dribble at our teammate's defender. Remember that they're dribbling almost like a screen. So they're going to basically screen this defender and then put the ball on a platter in their hand for their teammate to take out of their hand. So this is a dribble at the teammate's defender. At the defender. Sometimes called a dribble screen. And that's going to result in a dribble handoff or a handoff. Dribble handoff. Okay, so here's the dribble screen. Then put on a platter. Oops. Put on a platter for number 3. Number 3 is going to take it out of the hand, and they can drive to the hoop for a layup, or maybe a shot right here. Or when they're dribbling this way, our number 1 player, so the ball is now here, our number 1 player, so it looks like this. Dribble, 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 dribble. So it's a dribble screen. It's a handoff to number 3 player. Number 3 player is dribbling to the hoop. If it's open, they take it in for a layup. It might be a shot right here, a pull-up shot right here. If this isn't open, this player is sealing and rolling to the hoop. The hope is it can be a shot here. Or if they switch, maybe it's a bounce pass for a layup. Now let's just say none of that is open. So we did our dribble handoff. Dribble handoff at the defender. Dribble screen. There's a handoff takes place, put on a platter for the teammate. Teammate comes. There's a roll. If that's not there, it's similar to the first roll in that you replace. Fill and replace. That's not open. So the 1 player goes to the corner, the 5 player comes to this fill spot, and the 3 player does a reverse retreat dribble back to the top fill spot. So I'm going to show that again. Okay. Ball's here. So, dribble screen on this defender, ball on a platter, handoff, drive, roll. That could be the pass. It can be a shot. If that's not open, corner, fill, retrieve dribble. So let's just say we're here. Let's just say here's our decision maker. They decide they're going to dribble at their opponent, but they're going to go to the other side. Rule number 2 is if you dribble at your opponent, the opponent's defender, right? There's a dribble screen. That leads to a handoff and roll. Okay? So here's our dribble on a platter, screen, handoff. Maybe it's a layup. Maybe it's a shot right here. Or it's a roll. Maybe it's a bounce pass for a layup. Okay, remember, if this, think to yourself, if this isn't available, what's 3 doing? 3 is rolling. Oops. 3 is rolling to the corner. 4 is replacing. 2 is doing what? Retreat dribble back to that spot. Now let's just say that we have the ball here. We decide to do a dribble at your opponent. So here's our decision maker. And they decide they're going to dribble at their, the opponent's defender. There's a defender. And dribble here. Same thing applies. It's going to be laying on a platter, dribble handoff, looking here, rolling, possibly for a layup, but if not for a layup, rolling, fill, 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 retreat dribble. So if you receive the dribble handoff, you're always retreating to where that player just came from in the fill spots. If it's a dribble handoff to the corner, which we probably won't do very often, okay? Dribble handoff, dribble screen, so it's like a handoff here on a platter here. You're gonna roll, it could be here. If not, this is our funny one. So the player is gonna go back. I cut back, retreat dribble here. So you always retreat dribble to where the dribble handoff player just came from. The hope with this is that we create screens with our dribble handoff and that we can get rolls to the basket and get shots in this area and layups. So that's rule number 2. Dribble. We may call this a dribble screen. Makes the dribble handoff.